not important where you are or where you were, but it is important where you want to be in future. Hello Toastmasters and dear guests. I am Nitya, which means everyday. I follow some of the qualities in my day-to-day life. Like N stands for natural as well as nostalgia. I for interactive as well as intelligence. T for talented as well as which drives me for the performance. Y which means year after year, that means consistency. And last but not the least, that is A, which is ambition, which drives me to complete my dreams. I was born in the year of 1976 in Kolkata, and I was taken to the village. My father was a farmer, my mother was a housewife. I am fortunate enough that I have got both the taste, village as well as the city of Kolkata. Till my class 4, that means when I was still 9, that time I was in village. I spent my life over there. From the childhood, and since we are in a joint family, so we are 6 kids on that time. And we had a routine household chores. Like someone has to assist the elders, maybe moms. Someone has to assist for buying grocery items. Someone has to assist, release the duck into the pond, like that way. But this is, we call it responsibility, rather you call it an accountability. You have to. I have many stories in my life on that time, but let me share few of them. One of the best stories, which I didn't like to do that job, but I had to, because that was the protocol of our house. So one fine morning in a day, I was given a task to take the cow for grazing into the field. I said my mom, I have 2 sons. I didn't want to go. No, you have to. So I said, okay. But the thing is that before going to the school, you have to take back the cow to the house once again. Ultimate thing was that the first part was okay, but the second part, I was small. When I tend to take back this cow to the house, he was not ready to come back. I said, oh my God, then he is taking me to the other field where the green crops are there. I got afraid and I said, oh my God, what I'll do now? I afraid and I started crying. He was tied with a rope in his throat. And on that time, if you made a loss to the other field, he has right to give you a penalty, which is a big amount. I said that I thought that maybe mom will shout on me and maybe beat me. So I left the rope and started to go into the house. And then I called my parents, Mom, he is not able to come. So better you go and take back the cow. So that was one part. And the most adventurous thing which I liked on that time, that was swimming into the open pond. So on that time, like my age on that time, so we get together near the pond and we had a game. We had an agreement. We took half of a brick and we threw it little far into the pond. And someone has to take back the brick from the deep pond. It's maybe 8 to 10 feet pond. And now there is a mud over there. But believe me, it is very tough. You have to take a deep breath and go into the deep pond like 8 to 10 feet and take back this brick into that, and we had to give a treat into the tiffin time to that person. Right? But ultimately, most of the time, we were not able to bring that bricks. So every time we put a brick, half of the brick to the pond. So till I spent 9 years in my village. Then we come back to Kolkata. We were in a rented house on that time. Then I completed my graduation from South City College. Then I completed my MBA from IIT Ghaziabad. Then I started my career through automobile industry. My first job. I realized that life is not so easy. But if you want, you can make it easier as per your convenience. So I set up my goals, my dreams, and later on, I first bought a land for our own house. I achieved my first dreams, first goals. Then I got an opportunity from a Maruti dealer. I got lot of sales awards, but one of the best award I got for the best salesperson in the Eastern region. And then they give me a trip from the Maruti, that is Bangkok trip, Thailand. Then I got the opportunity from a German MNC as an assistant manager. Then I got that this was the high time to have married. So I bought a flat on that time. So I got the second dream also. And then I find my queens who was sitting in Bardwan as a school teacher, government school teacher. So we met in Howrah station only once. Then we agreed. Then we got married. Then after a couple of years, we got our princess lady. That is my daughter. She is Oisi. She is now 3. She has got admission in South Point School this year. Then we thought together, everybody has the car. Why don't we have? So let's take a car for us. So we bought a new Wagoner. So another dream we achieved. Then together we think, this is okay, we have flat, we have car. But what will happen after the retired life? So we were not able to strong enough to go here and there. So we took one flat in Greenfield City in a big complex over there. We have another dream for the society. We do many things from the society that I want to make a general hospital for the poor people at the age of 55. Right? But believe me, everything is possible. Just you have to believe it. You have to give instruction to your mind. That is the most ultimate thing. Over to the host.